So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure this ABCDE is a regular pentagon. So you can see that this A, this B, this C, this D and this E is a regular pentagon and AB is perpendicular to AP. So you can see that this line AB and this line AP are perpendicular and this is 90-degree angle and EA is perpendicular to EQ. So you can see that this line EA and this line EQ are perpendicular here. So this angle is also 90-degree. And AB length is given as 2 centimeter. So this is a regular pentagon. So all sides of the pentagon are equal and they are equal to 2 centimeters. So we have to find out the area of the triangle AOQ. We have to find out the area of this triangle. So what is the area of this triangle we have to find out. So let's see how we can do this. So you see this figure. So in this figure, you can see that the angle BAE and angle AED, angle BA and E and angle AED, angle AED and angle EDC and angle ED and C all are equal to 108 because this is a regular pentagon. In regular pentagon, all angles are 108. This is also 108 and this is also 108. And in the problem it is given that this angle is 90-degree. So the remaining angle this is 18-degree. Also this angle is given in the problem as 19. So this remaining is 18-degree. And this is 108. So we have to find the area of this region, like area of the triangle AOQ. So what is the area of this triangle? It is simply half times this AO length multiplied by OQ length multiplied by sine of angle between these two sides. We have to find out the length of AO, AQ and angle between these two sides and we can then find out this area. So how we find the OQ length? So OQ length you can see that it is simply OQ length is this whole length EQ minus this EO length. So EQ minus EO length is this OQ length and this angle as we know it is 18-degree and this is 19 and this is 18. So this remaining angle is 72-degree because the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 and if this is 70 and so this whole is 180 so this remaining is also 108. And now if you look at the triangle AOE. So if you look at the triangle AOE, so you can apply the sine rule like AE divided by sine of angle AOE. So this is the side AE divided by sine of the angle AOE. Sine of the angle AOE, which is this angle, which is 72. So this is the AO and E triangle and EO divided by the sine of angle OAE. So EO is this and this opposite angle is this and this OA length and this opposite angle is this 90-degree. So this we can write simply this sine rule. So now if we equate this and this, so what is that? So first of all AE length we know it is the regular pentagon. So this side is 2 centimeter. So we can put that AOE angle as we know 72. So this will become like sine of 72. So this is this here. And then we have EO divided by sine of angle OAE. OAE angle as we know 18, so this will become like sine of 18. EO length we don't know yet. We don't know also OA length, but we know this angle as 90, so this is sine 90. So from here, if you equate this and this, so you can get the OA length as 2 by sine 72 multiplied by sine 90. So this quantity is 1. So it is simply 2 by sine 72. And EO length as if you cross multiply this here, so this will become like 2 times sine 72 divided by sine 72 and this is sine 18. And you can simply write sine 72 as cos 18. So this sine by cos will become like tan. So this is 2 times tan of 18 degree. So now we know this EO length and this OA length. So now you look at the triangle EDQ, like EDQ, this triangle. In this triangle, you can also apply the sine rule. So it will become like this ED, which is this distance divided by the sine of angle of this, which is sine of 40, sine of 54, and ED we know it is 2, so we can put here. Again, one side is DQ, so DQ and this angle is 18 degree, so DQ divided by sine 18, and this whole distance EQ, and we know this angle as 108, so this will become like sine of 108. So now you can calculate the value of EQ. So it is 2 divided by sine 54, and sine 108 you can write like this, 2 times sine 54 and cos 54, like sine 2 theta is equal to 2 times sine theta cos theta. So sine 54 cancel and it will become like 4 times cos of 54. So now we know this EQ length. So we can find out this OQ length as this EQ length whole EQ length minus this EO length. So we calculated EQ as 4 times cos 54 and EO as 2 times tan 18 degree. So this is this. And we also know the OA as we calculated previously. OA we calculated as 2 divided by sine 72. So now what is the area of the triangle? It is half times this OA, which is 2 divided by sine 72, multiply by this OQ, which is we calculated like 4 times cos 54 minus 2 times tan 18 degree, and sine of angle between them. So this angle O is 108. So sine of 108. So this 2 and 2 cancel, and this sine of 108 is equivalent to sine of 72. So this sine 72 and this sine 72 cancel. So this will become like 4 times cos 54 minus 2 times tan 18 degree. And then you can put the values of cos 54 and tan 18 and you can get the area of the triangle. And it will come like 1.7013 centimeter square. So in this way we can solve this problem.